Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold US dollar currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current resistance and support levels for all the time frames. So when we look at the economical events calendar for today is Tuesday, August 30th. We have a high impact in news on euro related currency pairs, and at 7:30 p.m. we have high impact in news on US dollar related currency pairs. Again at 8:30 p.m. we have medium impact in news on US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trades today. Let us begin our gold analysis. As we already know, the current trend of the price action is still in a very strong bearish trend. We have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern on a bearish trend. Again it bounced back on the support line of the bearish channel pattern on the bullish side, and it couldn't continue with its bullish side trend. Currently we are noticing the price action to take support on the support line of the bearish channel pattern. And when we look at the yesterday's candle's closing, it has closed in a indecision candle, and this candle is valid only when it is formed at the support or resistance levels. Let us look at where it has formed by drawing a trend line or a support line. So based on this trend line over here, we can notice that the candle has formed exactly at the support line, and also it has tested the support line of the bearish channel pattern, and the candle has closed above this trend line, and today's candle also has opened at the same level where yesterday's candle had closed. So based on this today's candlestick formation, I am expecting a little bit of retracement to happen in daily time frame on the bullish side, and as long as the price action doesn't break the previous high, which is going to be around 1765, we can expect the consolidation to start and the bearish trend to continue in daily time frame. And even if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1765, the maximum level we can expect it to retrace up to the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern. So in daily time frame, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1765 in order to take trades on the bullish side, and wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And in the lower time frame, you will see multiple trends where you can take trades based on the lower time frame trends. Still, the current trend of the price action is still in a bearish trend in daily time frame, and currently the price action is in a retracement to gather enough momentum to break this trend line or the support line. It is not a bullish side trend reversal, it is only a retracement. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. So only when the price action breaks the previous high of 1807, it will be a bullish side trend reversal in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I am drawing a resistance line over here. So previously we have noticed the price action to respect this resistance line and to continue trading on a bearish side, and the price action has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. As long as it doesn't break the 4 hours time frame resistance line, we can expect the price action to consolidate, and once the price action breaks this support level of 1719, we can expect the bearish trend to continue. So wait for the price action to break the support level in order to take trades on the bearish side in 4 hours time frame, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance on the bullish side is going to be around 1765, and next level of support from the daily time frame is going to be around 1679. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I am drawing a trend line or a support line, and based on this support line, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side, taking support on this trend line, and finally it has taken support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame and has bounced back on the bullish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading above this support line or the trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. Next level of resistance, it's going to be around 1765 from the daily time frame. And as long as the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect the consolidation to continue within this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame and the support line from the bearish channel pattern from the daily time frame. Wait for it to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a direction trade in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Previously the price action trended on the bearish side, and currently it is on a bullish side retracement frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also, we are noticing the price action trying to break the resistance level of 1740. Wait for the price action to properly break and form a full candle above this support level in order to continue trading on the bullish side, or wait for the price action to break this support line from the hourly time frame in order to take trades on the bearish side trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is only consolidating. There is no trend in the price action for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Wait for the price action to break the 30 minutes time frame resistance level of 1742 in order to continue trading on the bullish side, and if the price action bounces back from these resistance levels, we can expect the bearish side trend to start in 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. After breaking the support level of 1740, we have noticed a price action to be trading on a sideways or under a consolidation between the support level of 1736 and the resistance level of 1740. Currently the price action has taken support on this trend line or support line from the hourly time frame. Wait for the price action to break this support line in order to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for it to break the resistance level of 1740 in order to continue trading on the bullish side. So the current price action in 5 minutes time frame is under a consolidation or on a sideways price action. There is no direction in the price action in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within these black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.